Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the external mic is not recognized on the combo jack, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. This is what a combo jack looks like. This jack will combine a different mic input with a different mic output. Now, if it doesn't work, then maybe, just maybe, the input device is not compatible with the combo jack. So try connecting the input device directly to your computer. Does it work? If it works, then it might even work with the combo jack. And if it doesn't, then search for device manager and open the device manager, and then expand the list of audio inputs and outputs and right click and update all the drivers. Other than this, you can right click on the start button and then you can select settings from the menu. You can go to the system tab, select sound, and make sure that the correct input and output are selected. At times, the output would be speaker even if it is a different device, because it is connected using the combo jack, because the combo jack changes the properties. So use the hit and trial method to find out the exact input and output. We have radio buttons for both the input and output. Then go to the system tab again, scroll down and then select this option here which says troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.